What's going on, guys? It's Sutek. It's September 29th, 2017, and I have a few things I wanted to share with you guys today. One of the things is I bought a Gunbot, and I bought the TradingView plugin for the Gunbot, and I have not made any trades on there yet, but it is so good. It is so effective at what it has to do, and it's so versatile that I think that, to me, there's no question that it's the best bot, in my opinion. Leonardo bot is very, like I've said in other videos, is rudimentary, very simple, and it's effective depending on what you want to do. But Gunbot is a bot that you could actually just leave on and off for long periods of time. Like, it's that good. So I actually have it set up to buy and sell via alerts, and it sends those alerts to the bot, and it advises on certain specifications. So you can actually have up to 50 pairs per account. Now you have to buy the top account, the top membership for TradingView, which includes 100 alerts. So that means you can have about 50 pairs at the most. Now, if you want to set different kinds of alerts for the same pair, then obviously it will be less than 50 pairs that you can fit, because you're going to be using maybe 3, maybe 4 alerts per pair. So, but the way this is set up is so genius, and that's what I recommend for you guys, is to buy the Gunbot. You can buy it on my website. Click through the referral link. It is a referral link, and then buy the TradingView plugin, which is this is outstanding. This makes everything so simple. Once you get past the coding and stuff and some of those hiccups that come along with it, but after you get past that, it's so good. As you can see here, I have 4 pairs, or actually 5 pairs set up. And these are going to run, as soon as alerts go out. Now, I have it set on the 4-hour chart and day chart, so there's not that many transactions to be had. But every few days or so, there's going to be a sale, and there's going to be either a break-even sale or a very high profiting sale. All of these sales are pretty much high profit. So the more pairs you add, the more likely you're going to get a nice profit, and that can be done, like I said, with the top membership to TradingView. So I recommend that to everybody. It's only 0.10 Bitcoin. So, on a down day when Bitcoin is worth less, it's good to trade from, US dollars to buy Bitcoin when it's down, and then the 0.10 Bitcoin will not be that big of a hit for you. Let's take a look at some news. IMF's Lagarde: ignoring cryptocurrencies may not be wise. The head of the International Monetary Fund believes that cryptocurrencies may give traditional government issued ones a run for their money. GMO Coin, a subsidiary of Japanese internet services giant GMO, enables Bitcoin Cash and Ether trading alongside Bitcoin. So we have the expansion of altcoins in the marketplace, with Bitcoin Cash and Ether trading heading to a major Japanese exchange. U.S. regulator: cryptocurrencies may pose risks, rewards for credit unions. South Korea issues a ban on ICOs as nation's exchanges grow trading volume. Now, I'm not really a fan of the ICO bans. To me, it's too early to ban. You have to actually go through a process of elimination with these ICOs. You have to kind of figure out, what parameters are suitable, and then force the ICOs to fall in line with those parameters, so that they're up to par, instead of just outright banning, which I think is a bad move. And I doubt that the United States will ever go through a ban before they actually go through some type of regulation, because the United States works in a more open fashion than a lot of these other countries, like China and so on. So I don't think that'll ever happen here, but it does actually, shrink the market a bit when other countries cannot participate. Ukraine cannot reach a consensus on cryptocurrency. Central banks explain why. Well, central bank, I would think, doesn't want a cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? Because it subverts the actual currency, the actual fiat. Cryptocurrency actually undercuts and takes money out of circulation. So I couldn't see why a central bank would want to promote a cryptocurrency unless they were the ones that were minting it and they were the ones who owned the blockchain. So U.S. State Department to hold blockchain forum next month. So we can see the wheels quickly turning and quickly moving towards a legalization, even though it's already legal, but kind of an infrastructure being built by the government and by large private corporations. We're moving quickly in that direction. So it's only a matter of time till cryptocurrencies completely take off, and after then the sky's the limit. Now, BitConnect, guys, if you watched my video yesterday, or my most recent video, I mentioned that BitConnect can be used to further your education, and I still believe that wholeheartedly. That's definitely a method of using BitConnect to further your knowledge, because that's what it's about. If you're just participating in programs and hypes and you're making money, yes, that's great, but when those go away and those are filtered out, as they should be, and I hope they are because there's too many of them, then you're going to need knowledge in order to make money in this space. And so why not use that profit, which is basically free money, because you're going to get your money back. BitConnect is going to give you your money back, and go on YouTube, people have been getting their money back, so that hasn't been a problem or an issue. So when you get your money back, then you already have the knowledge, and then you have that initial investment back, and you can actually use that to put into Bitcoin. So when I get my capital released from BitConnect, I'm going to put it in my Bittrex and Poloniex accounts and let the bots trade, and then I'm going to trade personally myself cash in Bitcoins and Ethereum and Litecoin on GDAX. So there's multiple ways to skin a cat, and I plan on using multiple bots and using trading platforms to go in and out of US dollars into cryptocurrencies to make money. So, and I'm doing that because I spent my BitConnect money on my education, my cryptocurrency education. So I promote that big time. Take advantage of it. Go to sutexcrypto.com if you're not already signed up for BitConnect, and click the banner. I also wanted to share something else with you guys that is brand new to me, and I think it's outstanding. I'm not signed in right now. I'm actually signed in here on a different browser. But we have this cointracking.info website, which is basically an accounting manager for your cryptocurrencies. So you can actually sync and link via API to multiple exchanges, and it'll keep track of your profit, your actual profits, your profits after trading fees, and the blockchain fees and whatnot. It keeps track of all of those things, and that way you can actually, once you take your money out and you put it into fiat, you can actually see how much you really owe on taxes, and then your taxes will be up to par. So here's all the exchanges you can. You can connect everything: Gemini, Bitfinex, Bittrex, Bitstamp, Coinbase. You can connect every single thing you use. Now, if you're like me, I use many of these at the same time. So I use Bittrex, I use Coinbase, I use Gemini, I use GDAX, and I'm waiting for my Poloniex account to be approved. So that's about 5 or 6 exchanges that I'm using concurrently. So you can connect all of those. Now that would require a premium account, but again, if you're making money and you're looking to make money and you're very serious, then a premium account is not going to be much to worry about. You just pay your fee and you have everything taken care of. You have all your profit and losses, including all the fees. It keeps track of everything. So I definitely recommend you guys sign up for that. That's also on my website, Sutex Crypto. It's under the Resources tab and Coin Tracking and Accounting. Anyway, I know this is a long video, guys, but I'm trying to get as much information out to you as possible. Have a great Friday, and I'll check you guys out later. Peace.